All right, let's talk about Google Business Profile. It's a free tool from Google that puts your business on the map, literally. You know when you Google a restaurant and you see that info box on the right with the address, phone number, hours, and photos? That's a Google Business Profile. Or when you search coffee near me on Google Maps and all those pins show up, every single one of those businesses has a profile. It's basically your way of telling Google, hey, I exist, here's where I am, and here's what I do. And Google says, cool, I'll show you to everyone searching for exactly what you offer. Here's why this matters. When someone searches for a business like yours, Google shows local results first. If you don't have a profile, you're not in those results. You're invisible, and nobody's finding an invisible business, no matter how great you are. With a Google Business Profile, you control what customers see. You add your hours so people know when you're open. You post photos of your products or storefront. You share updates like sales or holiday closures. And here's the kicker. You show up on Google Maps, which is how most people find local businesses nowadays. Customers can also leave reviews, and you can respond to them. Good reviews build trust, and responding shows you actually care. So yeah, it's free visibility exactly where people are already looking. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just you showing up when customers need you. If you want people to find your business, this is step one.